Dive into creative writing, unlocking the power of informal vocabulary. Hello there, dear language explorers. Today we're going to take a fascinating journey into the world of creative writing, focusing on the colorful and expressive use of informal vocabulary. Whether you're a budding writer or just curious about language, this video will give you the tools to explore informal vocabulary in a creative context. Informal vocabulary refers to the words and expressions that we use in casual and relaxed situations. These can include slang, colloquialisms, idioms, and contractions like ain't, gonna, and wanna. Informal vocabulary adds character and personality to writing, making it more relatable and engaging to readers. Creative writing often seeks to evoke emotion, create vivid imagery, and connect with readers on a personal level. By using informal vocabulary, writers can mirror real speech patterns. This makes dialogue more authentic. Create a distinct voice or tone. Informal language can help define characters or narrators. Enhance readability. Sometimes, informal words make text more accessible and enjoyable. Let's explore some examples to see how informal vocabulary can be used effectively. 1. Dialogue. Hey, what's up? Wanna grab a coffee? This simple line paints a casual conversation between friends. 2. Narration. I'm gonna tell you a story, and you ain't gonna believe it. This line sets a friendly and engaging tone. 3. Description. The car screeched around the bend like it was showing off. Here, informal vocabulary adds flavor to the description. While informal vocabulary can be powerful, here are some things to keep in mind. Know your audience. Consider who you're writing for. Is informal language suitable for them? Don't overdo it. Too much slang or informal language can confuse or alienate readers. Be consistent. If you start with a casual tone, maintain it throughout your writing. Avoid stereotyping. Be mindful of how you represent speech patterns and avoid cultural cliches. And that's a wrap. I hope this video has sparked your interest in the exciting world of informal vocabulary and creative writing. Remember, these words and expressions are not just for casual conversation. They can be powerful tools to bring your writing to life. So don't be shy, dive in, and start experimenting. Happy writing!